everyone, Shirin here, and welcome back to my channel. Happy New Year and happy 2021.
We made it.
Wishing you all a very happy, healthy, and successful 2021. We are kicking off the year with an exciting new launch from Drunk Elephant, but before we dive into that, make sure to subscribe and follow me on Instagram where you can keep up with me on more of a daily basis. I tend to post there more regularly these days. Alright, let's get into it. With the power of editing, we are going to open that box! Yeah, I know, it's like a TV show. It's so magical. As you guys know, I do not like ripping packaging, so I'm trying to be as careful as possible. Got a little ripped, but it is what it is. So first up in this box, we've got this brand new baby. This is Sweet Biome Fermented Sake Spray. So on the top it has this heart, it has purple packaging, it's super cute. If you want to pause the screen and read the side at any point, please feel free. Once you open it up, this is what it looks like. So let's just take out the bottle, and here she is in all her glory. How beautiful is this packaging? I love it. Drunk Elephant also sent over this cute baby size Virgin Marula luxury facial oil, and once you open it up, it's going to look like the cutest thing you have ever seen. Am I right or am I right? How adorable is that? And last but not least, we've got this cute bar tool set. So it has a shaker, a jigger, strainer, and bar spoon inside. This is what the box looks like. I love their packaging. Drunk Elephant just nails it with packaging every time. Here's what it says on the back. We're throwing a cocktail party for your microbiome. On the top, it says Biome Sweet Biome. Love that. Once we open this up, once I stop struggling, because apparently opening packages with nails is a struggle. I mean, honestly it is. I was trying to not break them. We've got this super cute set. Look at it. It's all white. I love it so much. Like, it's so aesthetically pleasing. But this isn't the best part. You look at this and you're like, wow, really chic, right? Love it, cute. But wait. Once you flip it and look at the bottom, there is the Drunk Elephant logo, and it's just like the cherry on top. So this is Sweet Biome, aka Sweet Bee, and it is a fermented sake spray. It is honestly the hero product that was missing in my routine that I didn't even know I needed in my life. Sweet Bee is priced at $42, which, let's be real, that's pretty affordable for Drunk Elephant. This comes with 100 sprays worth, and usually I use 3 per day, so if you break it down, it'll last you about 333.33333 days if you do use it just once a day. We'll get more into when to use it and how to use it in a sec, but let me just tell you what this does. Sweet Bee has a blend of vital aminos, fatty acids, ceramides, and electrolytes, and these are all going to help your microbiome. Basically, Sweet Bee is going to help your acid mantle or your skin barrier be healthy and balanced and replenished. Each bottle is 100 milliliters, and it is available starting today, January 1st, which means, yes, if you're watching this video, you can buy it now. I have it linked in my description below, so check it out if you would like to use my affiliate link. This product is cruelty-free and vegan, and as always, Drunk Elephant is 100% free of silicones, essential oils, and fragrance. That being said, Sweet Bee does have a scent to it. It's not added fragrance, but it's just from the raw materials in there. Drunk Elephant describes it as being nutty. I don't know if I really agree with that, because when I think of nutty, my mind immediately goes to peanut butter, and this smells nothing like peanut butter. But I would say it's more aligned with sea firma. Like, you know how that's kind of like hot dog water? This isn't hot dog water smelling per se, but it's definitely a very strong raw material kind of scent. It lingers on my skin for about 2 to 3 minutes, but then after that it dissipates and I cannot smell it, which is great. So if you're concerned about that, don't be, it's not a big deal. The scent is natural, it's just from the fermented ingredients and antioxidants in here. Let's go over some key ingredients in Sweet Biome, shall we? The fermented sake extract, kombucha, and hops restore and soothe the skin, while coconut water and sodium PCA provide powerful antioxidants and hydration. You can use Sweet Bee in your routine basically anytime you want. Drunk Elephant does recommend to use it in the morning on a dry, clean face, or at night on a dry, clean face, or just any time throughout the day when you need a refresher. Personally, I like to use it just during the day as more of a pick-me-up. So around afternoonish, like 3 o'clock, you know, when you just get really tired, you're sitting at your desk all day, you just need like coffee or tea or something to just wake you up and keep you going throughout the workday. This is that for me now. It's just such a refreshing spray. I do 3 sprays, so I'll do the sides of my face and then right down the middle. And it has a really cool, like, tingly sort of sensation. Like, I don't know how to explain it. Sometimes actually it doesn't, sometimes it does. I don't know why. But the times where I do feel it just being more refreshing, it's just like it's bringing my skin to life and energizing it. I don't put it in the fridge, but you can if you want. It's not necessary, but if you want it to have more of like a cooling sensation, you can do that. I know that as we head more into the summer months, I will be popping it in my fridge because I just love doing that during the summer, but right now it's cold and I just don't need extra chilliness in my life. If you can't tell, my hands are already so red because I'm so cold. Sweet Bee uses fermented probiotics as opposed to live bacteria, so that's why you don't have to put it in the fridge. You can also use Sweet Bee with any Drunk Elephant serum, treatment, or moisturizer. I do want to note that Sweet Bee is not a setting spray, so if you're looking for something to lock in your makeup, this is not it. It's just more of a hydrating, refreshing sort of spray, which I love. I'm here for it. I am all for that. Now, that's not to say you can't use it with makeup. I love using glowy types of sprays, especially when I want to just kind of make my face look a little bit more alive. Or it's also a really great way to blend in your makeup. So let's say you're somebody like me who uses a lot of powder products. This is going to be a great way to just melt all of those products together and make your skin look glowy, radiant, and healthy. And it actually does help your skin be healthy. Not just look the part, but actually do it, you know? Oh, one more thing I completely forgot to mention. You do want to make sure that you shake this product before you use it. Very important. Don't forget. The spray is really nice. Like, the nozzle gives you this very finely misted poof of spray. That's the best way I can describe it. But like, you know how some sprays just throw chunks of product on your face and you just have these big droplets? Like, this does not do that. It's very finely misted, very beautiful application. So I love the nozzle that they chose for this. As somebody with sensitive and acne-prone skin, I can happily report that Sweet Bee has not irritated my skin in any way, nor has it caused any breakouts. I know that you can hear sake and immediately think of alcohol, but there is no alcohol in this, and it's not irritating. Again, not to me. I know everyone's skin is different. I love using Sweet Bee, not only because it's so refreshing, but it also has benefits like helping to reduce redness and protecting against pollution, which, you know, living in LA, I need that. So that is it. Those are my thoughts on Sweet Bee 10/10 recommend. Try it for yourself and let me know how you like it. Let me know in the comments down below if you will be trying Sweet Bee. I'm so excited for you guys to get your hands on it. Personally, this is like one of the most exciting Drunk Elephant launches for me. I love sprays. I love mists. They're just so refreshing. Such a great part of an everyday routine, especially now when we're at home and like you just need a good pick-me-up. This is it. Anyway, thank you all so much for watching and I'll see you all next time. Bye!